Hello guys, on today's video we're going to be talking about this flatbed. Today I was working on construction, so if you've been following my channel, you know that I'm a framer. I was just working on a project, but today after work I decided to come here to the shop and work a little more on this. What I was doing here is I was installing my LED lights. These are brand new and I was just installing them. I didn't get to film it because of course my phone died today and I forgot my charger at work. But anyway, I got my lights on. I'm not too happy with my markers here on the center. These are a lot darker than these. I'm not sure why. They are supposed to be all LED lights, but you can see, or you might not be able to see on the video, but these lights here on the left are super bright and those are kind of dark. But anyway, I got them installed and I wanted to shoot a video real quick on my flatbed. It's painted. I'm super happy with the way everything turned out. We were able to install our hoist and do the flatbed, and everything works the way it's supposed to. I'm super pleased and happy with how everything works. Right here I have my helper, and he's raising our bed for the first time here, and I'm just very excited with all of these. There's going to be a couple things that I'm going to be doing to this flatbed. Probably putting a side rail here, or maybe some of those straps so that I can secure like cargo. One of the ideas that I have is like I'm planning on putting a set of ramps right here on the back so I can load up my car in case I need to take it somewhere. Either that or this car. I think it's going to be pretty cool to load it into this flatbed. I have many uses that I'm planning to use this thing for. I think I should be able to use it to be like a dump truck for materials. And then if I need to load up a car, I wanted to really try to put a car. I'm going to try that out next couple days. But for now, I'm very happy. Bring it down. But I wanted to show you right here, we have a 50-degree angle for the dump. So I'm super pleased with that. And yeah, everything's working the way it's supposed to. I'm going to be painting these on the next couple days. And I'm just happy. This project is coming along. If you don't remember, when we got this van, the cab was really small. We had to add about 8 inches. And we're taking everything apart. We're going to change the windshield. We're going to be doing a few other things to these. We're going to be painting the wheels. And I think we're going to be putting, a new windshield. And we have a new interior that we're going to be installing in there. A new headliner and some panels that are custom made. They're just made out of vinyl. It's nothing fancy, but I'm happy I'm gonna be able to put all of these together. I can't wait till I get it on the road. I have to take it to an inspection place, but then after that I should be able to start using it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna let you know how things go in the next couple days.